Meet Hong, a vending machine restocker. His days used to be chaotic and arduous until now. Food items tossed into random bins made restocking inefficient. But what if there was a better way? Our crate system comes with adjustable dividers tailored to each driver's routine. Each crate locks with fitted grooves. Stable, even in motion. Access all crates without unstacking. The two-way drawer makes it that easy. Designed for convenience, the doors open to retrieve contents effortlessly. The detachable AI camera scans every item in real time. With less strain and faster restocking, our drivers can experience a boost in productivity. Efficiency reimagined.